What's in the box, buddy? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
It's serious.
Thank you for the support, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Literally.
Moment knows.
Yeah.
I see. Well, then I'll have to walk down to the main road.
I can't cut.
To me, come with me.
Are supposed to be like, I'm supposed to cut this
What did you do? Babe! What are you doing? It's embarrassing.
Alright, so here it goes. I got the Elgin Stage 3 cam. Pick it up from Speedway Motors for about, yeah, you see it. You see it. This is Stage 3. Stage 3 sloppy cam. Yeah, sloppy performance.
Babe!
Cool, that thing is beautiful. So it didn't come with a cam card, but it did come with it attached to the box.
What do you got to say?
Alright, the cam is not going inside of my LS build that I'm currently doing right now. It's going inside of my 4th gen Camaro. I'm gonna run that in my LS1 for a while, and the LS1 cam that I have in there right now is coming out and going into my 5.3 build. So yeah, you guys need to look forward to that. I know unfortunately a lot of people thought I was gonna put that cam inside of the new LS build that I'm doing, but I'm not. It may go in there when I pull the motor out, because I was thinking about going with the stage 2 in that 5.3 build, because I'm going with a twin turbo build, not NA. I don't need a cam that big for the 5.3 build, because it's gonna be a twin turbo build, not nitrous or anything like that. So yeah, thank you. Yeah.
No!